This is how to make yourself unlovable in 60 seconds. Close yourself off to everyone. Stay in your room for as much time as possible and make sure to charge your phone. You're in for the long run. Start complaining about everything. Don't listen to what people have to say to you. You shouldn't have empathy now. Constantly seek validation. Respond dryly or take hours to respond to a single text message. Why would you need to talk to anyone anyways? You have better things to do now, like being constantly attached to a screen and avoiding any public interaction. Go out alone. Talk down on yourself whenever possible. No need for confidence now. Ruin everything with your own selfishness. Hate yourself. This will be key. No one can love you, so why love yourself? When you start to feel ignored by people, you know that it's working. Congratulate yourself by destroying any type of schedule you currently have. Sleep now starts at 11 a.m. and waking up is voluntary. What even is breakfast? Throw away anything that they've given you. Memories mean nothing. Your new life starts now. Remember that the only person to blame will be you.